Hi, my name is Naomi and today we're making lanterns. And Mid-Autumn Festival is almost here. We can't celebrate without these. Let's get started to make. We need 3 tapes and a scissors and a yarn or string and a piece of construction paper, a regular size. You can choose any color if you want of the paper. First, let's find a longer length and fold it into half. Use scissors to cut multiple columns and leave the top one uncut. Unfold this paper and roll and stick to the top and bottom together with the tape. Don't forget to add one more tape. It should be 4 tapes, not 3. Oops. Pull the string about 6 inches and cut. Tape the string onto the lantern. You're done with the lantern. Great job! You finished the lanterns. Good job! Thank you so much for watching how to make lanterns. Now you can celebrate with these lanterns in Mid-Autumn Festival. You can decorate these lanterns if you want to. Okay, please share these lanterns in your comments so I can see what your lantern looks like. Okay, if you're happy to enjoy, please like, subscribe, or share my video. Bye! See you next video.